Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got the August Cat Lady box, y'all. Look at how this is packed. This is packed. They did tell us a while ago that we may not get a box. They may put it in the bag. I'm not sure why they decided to go with the box this time because it's just bulging, but I did cut it open, and let's see what's in there. It says to please recycle, reuse, or give your cats this box. My cats love the box, so yes, they will get the box. And the August box, the Cat Lady box, is a monthly box that is wonderful if you're a cat mama. It's for the cat mom and your cats. So the Cat Lady box sends me the Cat Lady box. They also send me the Spoiled Cats Club. And that's usually in a separate envelope, but this time it is not. But I do see the card. Here is the Spoiled Cats Club card. It says, deliver to spoiled cats immediately, not for humans, kicks and purrs, it says. And this is what is in, let's see what's in the Cat Lady, the Spoiled Cats Club. Let me get everything out of here. I think it's, whoops, this thing, okay. Okay, so the Spoiled Cats Club, they send treats. These are the treats. These are from Loving Pets. These are the flavorfuls, which my cats really like. And this is in tuna flavor. We've had salmon, we've had chicken, and tuna. I'm not sure if we might have had beef, but they like these. These are crunchy on the outside, and they have, they're soft on the inside, which is what they like. So it says it's only 2 calories per treat. So they really like this. So always good to get treats. And then we have 3 toys. So this, for August, it says Zoomies Racetrack. So we have the Vroom Vroom race car. Oh, look at how cute that is, y'all. This is so cute. This is like a little plushie, and there's catnip in there. And it's a taxi. And it has this feather on it, which I know that Blue especially likes that. Now Smudge is right here, and he's looking at that. I'm not sure where everybody else is at, but I want to tell you their toys are indestructible. We get many toys, and they last. I've never had any ever break or rip open or anything. They're really well made. This is so cute. I love the colors, and he's adorable. It says Vroom Vroom Race Car. And of course it has catnip in it. And then we have the Nitro Nip Kicker toy. This is Blue's kind of favorite toy. So this says Nitro on it, and it's a stick. He likes to grab onto something and then kick, with his back paws. So a lot of cats like to do that. So that is, I should tell you, this is valued at $6.99. This one is valued at $5.99. And it says, ready, set, zoom. The only thing faster than this toy is your kitty. And I guess I did forget to tell you, this says vroom vroom. This speedy little racer is sure to keep your kitty on the move. And then we have this toy here, and this is the checker flag flapped wand toy. That's Smudge's favorite kind of toy, are the wands. Let me open it and I'll show you. This is a $7.99 value, and this has the wand for me to hold, and then this is all wound around here. You'll unwind it, and there's the race flag. Checker flag flapped wand toy. So it has the race flag, and then it has these streamers. So Smudge is liking this right here. So he's right here looking. He's very lazy, but he's looking. So he may be over shortly. So that's what's in the Spoiled Cats Club. And what is in the Cat Lady box is they send us a card, and their card always has a beautiful picture on it, and they tell us about the artist. The artist is Natsa is her name. His name, I'm not sure. Natsa. It doesn't tell much about them. Usually it tells about it as well, but it says, because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. Sammy's Forgotten Felines, Sevier Animal Care Center, Second Chance Pet Adoptions, the Scratching Post, plus 9 more. So that's wonderful that they do give back. They give back, and it's really just exciting that they do that. Look how pretty that is for the summer. Very pretty. So let's see what we have. In this box, there are things, like I said, for the mama. And then there's a couple of toys as well. So these are kitty paw spoons. Oh, these are cute. Kitty paw. It's hard to say these things sometimes. CatLady.com, kitty paw spoons. These are $12.99 value. The cutest little paws for stirring, scooping, and everything in between. So let's look at them, because one is like a solid, and then the other one has, here we go. I'll take them out of there so you can see. This one is black. These are metal. And then see, you can, this would be good, like, you know, for getting like an olive out of the jar, or, you know, something like that, because the liquid will go through there. And then this other one is gold, and it's solid. So this one, you know, you could use for jam or something like that, for getting jelly out of the jar. So, and they are stamped with Cat Lady on the back of the handle. And those are really nice. Those will come in handy. You can use this for sugar in your coffee, you know, and like I said, you can just anything that you need to drain a little bit. So those are cute. Thank you, CatLadyBox. We really like those. And then we have this, you know, I'm going to show you my favorite thing last, y'all. I have to cut it. I have to cut the bag for it, because this is it. If you've seen the spoilers, I'm just super excited about it. Let's see our t-shirt for this month. This is a forest green color t-shirt. And I look at their Instagram, so I see things. This is from Port and Company. It says Easy Cotton, and it is 100% cotton. Their t-shirts are so warm. I mean, so warm. They're so comfortable because they're cotton. So this is a beautiful hunter green. What does it say on it? Oh, it says meow, and then it has a heart. That is so cute. That is so cute. And y'all, I've been getting their t-shirts for a long time, and I get them big. This is a 3X. I did recently ask them to change it to 2X, and so maybe my next one will be. So, but I love this t-shirt. This is super cute. Okay, Blue. Of course, they have to meow. Okay, we'll put that over here. All right, hang on. Yes, you can see all the toys in a minute. Let me find. He's sitting right on the card. Y'all, I'm melting. It's so hot here. Okay. All right. So that t-shirt has a $24.99 value. It says Just Meow Tea, inspired by the universal language every cat lover understands. And then we have two toys. This, oh, is this so cute? This is Meowdy Cactus Catnip Kicker. Look how cute he is. He's a cactus with a hat on, and he's got a smiley face up there. That is so stinking cute. And it says, howdy partner, this happy little cactus is fixing for some rootin' tootin' fun. This is a $6.99 value. Okay, Blue, I know you like that. This is so cute. This is like corduroy here, and then this is a plushie down here in the pot, and then the hat is a hard kind of I'm not sure what that is, but isn't that is so stinking cute. Super cute. Yes, Blue, you'll be able to try everything in a few minutes. This is watermelon catnip toy. There's the back and the slice of watermelon. Ripe and ready for a catnippy good time that'll have your kitty going bonkers. $5.99 value for this one. It's cute. It's got fur here, and then it's velvety here on the front and the back. This watermelon stripes and the watermelon inside with the seeds. The seeds are stitched on, so see, nothing that's going to hurt them that could fall off or anything. They're always thinking of that kind of thing. And then y'all, we've got the box that Blue wants to get in. Y'all, this box is just a mess, but they still will love it. They love the boxes. This, y'all, I'm so excited. Let me get this open. This is, you know, shrunk so that, you know, it would fit in the box. So let me cut it open. I'll be right back. Y'all, they're all over everything. Look at how stinking cute this is. I love it. I love it. So this is a cat head and a sleepy pillow. Isn't that adorable? There's the back. Oh my goodness, it's so soft and plush. And this would go great, you know, behind you if you need a little back support, or, you know, just to rest your head on. You could put it upside down and put it behind your neck like this. You can do lots of things with this pillow. So this pillow says, soft kitty throw pillow. Toss this cuddly soft kitty on your couch or bed for the perfect accent to your everyday space. $22.99 value. And she's good and plush, and I'm super excited about this. I love a plushie. And look at that adorable face on there sleeping. So, y'all, we got the greatest stuff. We got the fabulous pillow and the really, really pretty t-shirt as always, meow with a heart. And then all the toys, the spoons are, everything's under blue. He's right here. He's right here. You want to show them? I love the spoons. The spoons are a lot of fun. Okay, Blue. And the fabulous toys and the snacks. So here's the spoons. Okay. All right, y'all. So thanks. Here, I'm going to let them get in the box. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. So good to see you. Thank you so much to CatLadyBox for sending this over. We absolutely adore it. And they, you see that they adore it. They love it, y'all. So take care and count your blessings. I have a link below for CatLadyBox. Y'all take care. Bye-bye. Took over my pillow. Did you fall asleep in there, Blue?